Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter number 1, knowing our numbers, and in our last class we have completed till question number 2 of exercise 1.2, and from today onwards, that is in our today's session, we will be doing question number 3 as well as question number 4. Okay, so let's start our class. Here we have the question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, okay, and his nearest rival, that is opposition, secured 3,48,700 votes. Okay, by what margin did successful candidate win the election? That we have to find. So as this is a word problem mentioned earlier, you need to write the statement. So solution, we will be writing number of votes secured by the successful candidate, as because the first and foremost thing mentioned in the question is successful candidate, how much vote they have secured is that. So candidate is equal to, I'm going to write here 5,77,500 votes, isn't it? Next, what is given? Number of votes. Let's write here number of votes secured by his rival. So whatever is given in the statement in the question, we will form with the help of that question only. It is how much? 3,48,700. So number of votes secured by successful candidate is this much. Number of votes secured by his rival is this much. Okay. Next, what we have to find? We have to find by what margin. That is, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election. So we will write margin by which he won, that is the successful candidate won election, is, that means you have to subtract it, as because you, after subtracting the value only we will get, we will not plus here, we will not do the addition. If we do the addition, you will get the bigger value, right? So here what we have to do is, here we have to subtract 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700. So when you subtract it, you will get 0 here, 0 here. 15 minus 7 is 8. Here it will be 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here it is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 4 minus, here it is 5 minus 3, 2. So it is 2,28,800 votes, 2,28,800 votes. So you will write at the last, therefore successful candidate won the election by how many votes? By very big margin, that is 2,28,800 votes. So vote is coming near, so the question is based on the vote. So this is how we need to solve. Okay, so one successful candidate got this much of vote and his rival got this much of vote. So by successful candidate won by how many votes in the election, that we have to count, that we did with the, that we can do with the help of subtraction only. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. Let's proceed to question number 4. We have the question number 4. It states that Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June. So in the first week of June, Kirti bookstore sold how many? How much? 2 lakh. Not how many books they sold, and they got a amount of how much? 2,85,891 rupees. Okay, and books worth for and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week. So in the first week and second week they have earned that much of amount. Now you have to find is how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. So 2 weeks together, what was the total amount they earned? In first week the amount was 2 lakh. 85,891. Second week 4,07,768. Altogether, what is the total amount, and in which week was the sale greater, and by how much, that we have to find it. Okay, so let's do it. It's very easy. The question is very easy. The only thing is you need to frame the equation properly. Okay, so not the equation, the statement properly. Okay, so let's do the solution. Price of books sold in June, that is first week, right? On first week is equal to how much? 2,85,891. Okay, so similarly, price of books sold in June second week. In second week, the amount they earned was 4,07,768 rupees. So what do you have to find? How much was the sale for 2 weeks? First of all, this is the first question. So you'll write number of books sold in both weeks together. So okay, let's not write this. Let's write, therefore, the sale for the 2 weeks together is equal to how much? 2,85,891 and then 4,07,768. If you add it, what will be the value? The value will be 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 in hand, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 1 here again, 1 plus 5 is 6, 8 plus 0 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6. So it is 6,86,659 rupees they have earned altogether. Okay. Now our next question is, in which week was the sale greater? So in which week do you think the sale is greater? This is the first week and this is the second week. Of course, in the second week. So you'll write the sale of books is the highest in the, or simply you may write, in second week the sale was highest. Yes, you may frame your own statement, there is no problem. Okay, and the last question is this. So remember, there are 3 questions, 1, 2 and 3. That is, first was the sale, what was the sale altogether? The second question was, what, in which week the sale was highest, and in the last, by how much? Okay, by how much the sale was highest in the second week. So you will write at the last, therefore, difference. That means you have to find the difference only. That is, we have to subtract this and this value, we have to subtract, and we will get the by how much the value is greater. Okay, difference in the sale in both weeks is equal to, so what we have to do, we have to subtract, that is 4,07,768 minus, or you may write here minus 2,85,891. So remember, first of all, what we did the addition to find the sale of 2 weeks together. Here, what is the difference, or by how much the second week is greater, that we have to find. 8 minus 1 7. Okay, 6 minus 9 is not possible, so borrow. 16 minus 9 is 7, and again here it is 6. So 6 minus 8 is not possible, so 1 will be borrowed from here. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 8 again 1. Here it is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is, by how much? By 1,14,877 the sale is highest in the second week. The sale was extra. Okay, so they have earned this much amount in the first week, and in the second week they earned this much. By what is the extra amount they have earned in the second week is this much. Okay, so difference in the sale in both the weeks is equal to 1,14,877. Is that clear? So I hope this is this makes a sense to you all. So in our next class, we will be proceeding with the question number 5. So I want you all to copy down this in your copy. This is very, very important for your upcoming examination. Okay. So thank you everyone. See you in the next class.